Hey guys, my name is Ruslan. I'm the founder of Convertful. In this short screencast, I'll show you the new Convertful widgets editor and how you can use it to get even more subscribers. Our previous editor was designed a year ago, and though we received several awards for its design, since then we added lots of new features and we are going to add lots more in the nearest future. So we decided to rethink and rebuild the whole widget editor from scratch to make it more consistent and user-friendly for you guys. First, we made the whole widget creation and editing process more simple and streamlined. Now you just answer the three main questions. What do you offer in the design section? Who and when should see it in the display rules? And what's next in the success sections? Okay. Second, we improved how you create and manage your widget screens. In the previous version, it was really hard to find how to add the thank you message to your widgets. And now it became much simpler. Here it is. And the same way you can add the call-out screen, which is also known as yes-no screen. Here it is. So right now, the widget has 3 screens, and it's really simple. Okay. Third, in the previous version, some of the options were really strangely located. They were on the strange places. So we put them to their proper places. For example, when you create some inline widget, here is the inline widget, you'll find the widget place settings in the display rules tab. Yeah, that's right. Here they are. Place the widget after the post content. And if you want us to notify you about the new subscribers, you can easily enable it in the relevant success section. Here it is, email notifications. Just add your email here. And fourth, in the previous UI, it wasn't always clear that you can easily rename your widgets to identify them in the widgets list and analytics. So we made it simpler and more clear. Here it is, just click the edit. Just click the name to rename it. That's it. Really, really simple. Now, fifth thing that I really like, new option, new feature for you. Now you can use your welcome screen as a content log. Just disable the scrollable behavior. Here it is. And remove the close button. So people now cannot scroll the widget, the welcome screen, and they cannot close it because there is no close button. So now when you, let's say I activated it, I put display rules with time on page is at least 0 seconds, which means that the welcome screen will show instantly. And now, let's say this page loads, and people see this welcome screen, and they need to enter their email to unlock this content. So basically, you can implement this kind of a content log. Here it is. Okay. Now, sixth, we improved our don't show if rules. We improved our don't show if rules. Here it is. Don't show if rules, which we also call user friendliness rules. In the previous version, we didn't allow to show multiple floating widgets at the same time because these could annoy visitors, and that's not cool. So, but because of GDPR, lots of people started using Convertful for cookie notices. Okay, let's say we have a cookie notice here. Okay, let's say we loaded the site. We have this cookie notice, okay, and let's say we want to show some other widget while this one is shown. Okay, this exit intent, and so we have to disable this option, this feature, and let's check what it looks like. Okay, we have a cookie notice. We are trying to leave, and we see this widget. We see this exit intent pop up. So it works great. Okay. Now the seventh part that I especially like about our recent update, we reworked our display rules for click triggers. Here it is. We added more simple and user-friendly option for click trigger, where you don't need to specify the CSS selector of the call to action button, and instead you can just use the link URL, which is more familiar to most of the people. Also now, show only if and don't show if rules don't affect the click triggers. So let's say we have this. Let's say we have this link, which is a call to action to show this pop-up with content upgrade strategy, content upgrade for this article. And let's say we have some conditions, some rules, some other stuff. All of these things, they won't affect the click trigger. It will work all the time because if you leave only the click triggers, you won't see all of other conditions as well. In the previous version, it was easy to forget about some of the rules, and people actually had lots of broken call to action links, because when you create a call to action link with a certain URL, it means an intentional action from a visitor. So it should be shown every single time. So we reworked it, and now all your call to actions will work every time. Also, now when you trigger widgets via call to action links, let's check it out. When you show widgets via call to action links, your page URL changes. Here it is. And now your widget has its own unique URL. This is a relatively small change which provides you completely new ways to use your Convertful widgets. Now you can, for example, you can send someone this link. A second. Now you can send someone this link. Yeah, here it is. And when people open it, they will see this widget, this offer. What does it mean? It means that you can send links to the specific offer, to the specific widget. Also, you can share this link via social networks. You can, and now the thing I especially like about this, you can improve your content upgrade strategy and basically all the on-site funnels. Let me show how. First, you already can track people who see the offer. You can place the tracking pixel code, which will be triggered, which will be executed when people see specific widget, when they see specific offer. And you can track people who have converted. You can place some other conversion pixel code for conversions. So you can use these two to allocate the custom audience who haven't converted yet. And now you can retarget this custom audience to the opened widget, so they could continue the funnel from the place where they stopped. I believe it's an amazing improvement for all kinds of on-site funnels, guys. And what's more, you can let's say we place share buttons to our widget. Yes, we can replace the form and give and show some thank you message containing, you know, coupon codes, some special lead magnets, some special promotions, and we can show this thank you page based on the share, based on the shares when we place these share buttons. So now people, let's say people see this widget with share buttons, and to get some lead magnet, they need to share. And when they share this exact link that opens the offer, that opens the widget, which means you can implement the basic viral strategy using your Convertful widgets. I believe this small improvement provides you lots of new opportunities when using Convertful widgets. And I believe these improvements will allow you to save your time, to improve your creation process, and to gain even more subscribers, guys. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any additional questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be glad to answer. See you.